Did you notice that the sentiment score around mobile is currently hovering at -0.03? That's a significant shift from the historical baseline, indicating a dip in user sentiment that could be tied to recent events or product updates. With momentum flat at +0.00, this stagnation suggests that while there's little immediate movement, the negative sentiment is worth investigating. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including semantic clusters, which can help you decode the underlying reasons for this sentiment shift. For example, if you're developing a mobile app, understanding these nuances can guide your feature updates or marketing strategies. Dive deeper into the data and leverage our insights to enhance user experience. Check out the documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn insights into action.